Do you have a Shopify store? Do you use Klaviyo for Shopify? Are you losing your customer at a checkout page every day? Then you need to watch this video. Well, hello everyone. I'm Morgan for those who doesn't know me, and I'm a Shopify partner and expert since 2015. I have designed, I don't know, thousands of websites, and I have been working with thousands of brands. I work mostly in Australia. I do enjoy working with Australian people so much. And I also work in France. As you can see, my accent, I'm French. So I've been in the industry for more than 10 years. I love Shopify. I'm passionate about it, and I'm specialized, which means uh, I'm not a WordPress person, and I cannot help you with WordPress, but anything Shopify related, I'm the one for you. So I hope you enjoy my content. This video are made to help you grow your Shopify store, help you do the design you like, help you to do the development you like, and help you to connect whatever you need. I really want to help you out from the basic to the advanced, and I hope that you will enjoy. Thank you so much. All right, so let's get started. So the abundant card flow, I'm gonna explain a bit what is it, what it does. I'm gonna show you example, and I will also do it with you. So let's go. Let's just get started. So this is pretty much all the flow we have. We are on the hot list flow because those people are more likely to buy from us because they were interested and they just left. So whatever the reason they left, it could be just maybe they're busy on the phone, someone called, or you don't know what people are doing in their life when they're trying to buy something. But more likely they will buy it if they wanted to buy it at that time. So this is why we abundant cash flow is really it's the most important flow you need in Klaviyo, to be honest. Um, so it's triggered after someone starts a checkout and doesn't complete the order, as basically as this is simple. I'm gonna go through email by email. So I really recommend using setting up a total of 4 emails. I will show you right now what it look like. Um, oh, okay, so this is the abandoned checkout. So the trigger is when someone checkout started, we wait 30 minutes and we send the email one. Email one, you will make a template. So we have a template here. You have a name and a subject line and a preview text. Um, so basically, what you want to have in this flow, in this first email, you want to encourage the customer to complete the purchase. Okay, so what do? We are just most likely we are showing the item they forget. Okay, so if you go back into this one, or I have a preview, I can show you in here. You can actually see all up in this email. You'll see that so your selection has been saved, and what do you see? You see an image, you see a small text, and then you see the product to buy and to complete the order. I will try to put this on a bigger screen. Oh, blah, preview. You see the text and complete your order. So this is why I show you a screenshot, is because in the preview version you cannot see the product, but you have the product that they forget in the cart, and you have the event to complete. So if they click here, they will go straight to checkout page. The checkout page will have added the item they forget the last time, and it will automatically be added. This link, this link, I will copy paste it. I need to show you. Uh, so this is the product. So the product section in Klaviyo, let me remove this big zoom for the same thing. You have a product section here, but what do you use? What do you use? The first thing you do is when you create the abandoned cart email one, you use the template the Klaviyo is giving you because you are going to need those links and those stuff. Don't do like me. I'm so used to it, so I don't even bother having this template. But without the template, I will show you. If you go to Klaviyo, there is an email library. I don't know if it's here. Let me check it out. Abandoned cart. Yes. So you have to take one of these. You have to take one of these. And once you take one of these, then you can just change the design because you're gonna need those links. I'll show you what link I'm talking about. In here, this link, you need that. This is the link to go to the checkout page with the product added to the checkout page. All right, let's go back to our design. So the purpose is encourage the customer to complete the purchase, set the tone for the rest of the series, show item available in the customer card, and a call to action to purchase. So the links is the product, the link to the checkout page. Okay, good. Sure. That's the result of campaign. This is what you will get in the first email. The first email is very important, and you will see that this is the amount of money my client has made, and this is how much you can make when you have a lot of subscriber. You need a lot of subscriber. We're not talking about someone that only have 1,000 right now. Okay, let's head to email two. Email two, we are waiting 1 day. So the first one waiting 30 minutes. Email two, we are waiting 1 day to send it. Same, complete the purchase. This one, we are giving a free shipping. So to encourage the customer to complete the purchase, remind them that they forget it and there is an emergency, so they need to get it now. And we also have the same kind of design you can see here. We have, and this is a GIF. That's why you can see your picture is a GIF. It's nice to have GIF in emails. A small text, the product, and complete your order CTA. Easy. That's so you will see there's less opening, less revenue, but you're still making money at this point. Now we are having email tree. Email tree, we're starting to offer discount codes. So now 2 emails, the customer is not buying, so maybe we need to push him a little bit more this time. And we're offering 10% off. Okay, so this is the time to encourage the customer to finalize the purchase. You can see there is the code. This is for a limited of time. I am not going to talk about this discount code in this video. I will try to make another video about it, but discount code needs to be segmented in Shopify because otherwise it gets messy. Everyone wants to use it, so be careful with this. My customer has segmentation into the discount code. If the customer subscribed and he didn't use this discount code after 30 days, bam, cannot use it anymore because you cannot, especially when this is like a high-end fashion, they cannot afford to give 10% to everyone. They cannot. So yeah. Anyway, email three. This is not 1 day. This is wait 3 days. I will update this. I will put a link in the description so you can download it, and I will update it at the time. But this is 3 days. Let me go back to my Shopify, to my Klaviyo, my bad. If you want a full view. So wait 30 minutes, email 1. Wait 1 day, email 2. Wait 3 days, email 3. Okay? And then same result going down, but still making sale. Huh? Email 4. Email 4, wait 7 days, and this is just a reminder that the discount is expiring because they can only use it for 7 days. So yeah, a reminder, your discount is expiring. If you want to enjoy the item in your cart, just purchase it now. And same, we encourage the customer to complete the purchase one last time. This is the last time because this is urgent. They need to purchase it now because after this, there's no more discount and there won't be any more email. That's the last email of the series. All right. Uh, so I didn't do an ending slide, but what do we remember about how to set up Klaviyo? So first, you need to take the template that is from Avalon Cat, okay? Why? Because we need we need that. So if you don't want to use this template, you want to use another one, but you want to keep the section, you are just saving it, okay? And then you want to have this, so you copy this or you save the button, whatever you do, you need to have these two. Important. Then what's the second? We want to have also, I didn't talk about the subject, but we want to have subject and preview text. What is it? Subject, preview text. What am I talking about? Name. Your selection has been saved. Shop, add, and send the name. Why we want this? Because otherwise it look ugly. It's not serious. We want this to be professional. See, this is how it look. You see, Monfel, your card is expiring now. This look good. This look professional. Okay. Subject, preview text, and the sender is uppercase because they love it this way, but you don't have to. And so when you set up your flow, checkout started is the trigger. Wait 30 minutes. Email 1. Wait 1 day. Email 2. Wait 3 days. Email 3. And wait 7 days and email 4. All right. I hope this will help you for to set up the flow abandoned card in new Klaviyo. And if you have any question, please leave a comment below. Et voilà. Thank you for watching my video today. If you have any question or if you would like to learn, I don't know, anything else about Klaviyo, please leave a comment below. I have extensive knowledge in Klaviyo, in Shopify. So whatever question, whatever I don't know, you're wondering, feel free to ask me. I'm here to help you. And if you would like also to help me, feel free to subscribe and click the like button below. Thank you.